Okay, this video I'm going to show you how you can lock your tokens or LP for free by using Defi Launch. Defi Launch is a launchpad where you can create tokens, you can launch fair launches, use their swap, bridge, farming, see news, you can airdrop tokens to customers, etc. It's all very cheap. It's either $7 to create a launchpad or a basic token. And yeah, let's go through to the launchpad. As you can see here on the home page, this is just all the pre-sales that are live, so you can partake in these, or you can create your own one here in crowdfund. To do this, you would just go to the developers tab, and under here you can see that there are various options like create a token, create a fair launch, airdrop sender, token locker, audit and KYC badges, and the help videos on how to do all of this. So today we are going to be doing locking tokens. Okay, we're going to go to create a lock. We're going to connect our wallet. I've got a token contract here. Now, if you want to lock tokens, the whole reason you're doing this is to separate tokens into various wallets for various uses. So you may want to use it for say marketing wallet, or for an exchange wallet, or anything like that, or just put team wallets aside with various tokens in. You're doing this to give trust to your users, and so they can feel comfortable and see that the tokens are actually locked and that you do not have access to them until the date that you specify. So we've got the token contract here. Here it says Linea Deegans. We're going to give it a title. Let's say exchange wallet, and we are going to use, let's say, 1 trillion tokens. Then all you have to do is select a time that you want to unlock the tokens, and you will not have access to these tokens until that date and time. From there, you'll be able to click an unlock button, and the tokens will go back to your wallet, and you'll just be charged a 1% fee. Right, let's click lock. So as you can see, this is free to do. It's just an estimated gas fee, which is 7 cents to lock your tokens. Click confirm. And this will only take a few seconds to do. And there we go. Now you've locked your tokens. You can come to the token locker here, and you can look at the token list. And as you can see here, this is the one I've just done now. You can see that the tokens are locked. There's 1 trillion tokens. And here is the release date of the tokens. In total, there's 2 trillion. I did one earlier just as a test, and this is the second one here half an hour later. Right, so on this you can also lock LP. So once your token has LP tokens, you can lock it the exact same way, and you can also create a vested lock. Now vested lock gives you the option to do different percentages of tokens at different times, so they get released periodically. This is also another way that you're not just dumping tokens back onto the market. So it's also another way to help investors see that you're only releasing them slowly, and you can do that over a year or 2 or however long you want. If you guys like the video, please can you join our socials. There's a Discord, Twitter, Telegram, and a Warpcast. And if you want any other videos on anything else that DeFi Launch can do, well, let us know. Right now it's on Linea and Base Network, and soon to be ZK Sync. And then we are also having a Sol Launchpad and token creator that'll be ready this May. Thanks for watching.